Good morning. My name is Curtis Chandler and I'm president here at PFL. We hope that everyone had a fantastic weekend. The Dow closed lower on Friday of last week and was lower 209.83 points week over week. The S&P 500 closed lower on Friday of last week but was higher 84.69 points week over week. The Nasdaq closed higher on Friday of last week and was higher 555.75 points week over week. In overnight trading, Dow futures traded lower and are expected to open up 91 points from Friday's close. Oil prices settled lower on Friday of last week, but higher week over week. WTI traded down 17 cents per barrel on Friday of last week to close at $78.45 per barrel, which was up $2.92 per barrel week over week. U.S. commercial crude inventories increased by 3.7 million barrels week over week. U.S. crude inventories are 4% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Total motor gasoline inventories increased by 2.6 million barrels week over week. U.S. gasoline inventories are slightly below the 5-year average for this time of year. Distillate fuel inventories increased by 900,000 barrels week over week and are 7% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane and propylene inventories increased by 1 million barrels week over week and are 11% above the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane prices closed officially at 69 cents per gallon on Friday of last week before a late day surge, which was down 2 cents per gallon week over week, but up 9 cents per gallon year over year. WTI is poised to open at 78.36, down 9 cents per barrel from Friday's close. Total North American weekly rail volumes were up 3.72% in week 24 compared to the same week last year. 6 of AAR's 11 major traffic categories posted year-over-year decreases. The most significant decrease came from coal, which was down 13.53%. The most significant increase came from intermodal, which was up 10.2%. North American rig count was up by 13 rigs week over week. U.S. rig count was down by 4 rigs week over week and down by 97 rigs year over year. The U.S. currently has 590 active rigs. Canada's rig count was up by 17 rigs week over week and up by 1 rig year over year. Canada's overall rig count is 160 active rigs. Together we are collectively down 96 rigs. Folks, we are watching a few things out there for you. We continue to watch potential rail strikes in Canada, and the latest and greatest members of a Canada Rail Workers Union will vote again on whether to authorize a strike at CN and CP that could disrupt commodity deliveries across North America. Members will vote again between June 14th and June 29th whether or not to strike. See PFL's rail report for further details on this one. Shippers should be prepared for the worst case scenario and contact PFL today for emergency storage if needed. We are watching Baltimore. Baltimore is now open for business. The main ship channel of the Port of Baltimore has been fully cleared of debris and was reopened on Monday of last week after 11 weeks of a ship hitting that bridge. See PFL's rail report for further details. We continue to watch Trans Mountain Pipeline. 22 oil tankers are scheduled to load this month in Vancouver with crude from expected Trans Mountain Pipeline, which is running at 80% full. We have quite a bit to say on this one. We hope you'll find it interesting. See PFL's rail report for further details. We are watching renewables, in particular renewable diesel consumption and production of renewable diesel is exploding here in the U.S. We dive into RINs and other state-sponsored credits that is driving the growth and the shifting of feedstock oils and fats to feed this growth. We have quite a bit to say on this one, together with quite a few interesting charts and graphs. Please see PFL's rail report for further details. In today's report, we also highlight the latest refinery runs. Petroleum rail cars are down again week over week. See that details in today's report. In addition, see the latest and greatest import numbers for all petroleum related products. Also on every weekly report is the latest and greatest of what cars are available to lease or sublease. Please call PFL today for all your rail needs, including storage, leasing, subleasing, car cleaning, repair, flaring, scrapping, nitrogen generation, and transloading services. Well, thank you, folks. We hope you have a great, safe week out there, and please read our report.